We have all dreamed of not just flying, but landing in a friend's garden, on a beach, or on the top of a mountain. With the Dynali H3 Sport ultralight helicopter, you can do all this. At a very low cost, both to purchase and to operate, the Dynali H3 can take you anywhere.
The H3 could interest a very wide variety of people, and actually does. We have farmers in China who are using it for crop spraying. We have weekend flyers in France who use it for fun. We have people in Congo who are looking at this in terms of game protection. We have a flight school in Nigeria who's just bought their first one. It's a perfect primary trainer. It could also be perfectly well used for mustering in Australia and many, many other applications.
The Dynali H3 Sport is able to fly for 2.5 hours with a maximum speed of 140 kilometers per hour. It can be fitted with 3 different engine versions, all based on Rotax 900 series, giving a power output from 100 to 135 horsepower.
So all the parts are produced here in Dynali, Belgium, and then they are moved to the production line, the assembly line, where technicians do first assemble the airframe on the undercarriage, and then they install all the transmission system prior to put all the fairings and composites on the aircraft.
The Dynali H3 Sport has over-dimensioned stainless steel airframe, designed to provide maximum passive safety for the pilots.
Any helicopter is designed to be safe. I don't know of one that's designed to crash. This one actually is very safe, and it's also been designed for extreme simplicity.
With the H3, you will explore the world from the sky and enjoy the incredible feeling of flying your own helicopter that you can customize from livery colors to cabin seats, finishes and equipment.
J'ai bien aimé pouvoir choisir la motorisation. Donc moi j'ai choisi un moteur un peu plus technique et économique. Donc c'est la première version de leur injection à 115 chevaux qui me permet d'avoir un moteur économique pour franchir des longues distances et puis qui correspond vraiment à mon utilité, qui est juste de la simple balade pour aller boire un café chez un ami et revenir. Et puis la personnalisation de la couleur qu'on a pu accompagner d'un siège de la même couleur et ce genre de choses. Toutes ces petites fonctionnalités, ces petites customisations, voilà, ça permet de vraiment personnaliser sa machine. Puis j'ai choisi aussi également un écran tactile qui me permet d'avoir la cartographie intégrée et puis un peu plus de précision sur la lecture des instruments, voilà, qui font vraiment ma machine.
The maintenance program for the H3 Sport is also one of this machine's greatest advantages. The entire helicopter has been designed for ease of access, simplicity, and low-cost maintenance for the owner.
Pour moi, je crois, en fait, moi je m'occupe de toutes les petites visites qui sont les graissages, les premières vidanges, ce genre de choses, tous les contrôles journaliers. Dès qu'on arrive à des révisions un peu plus importantes, je l'amène à un atelier qui est principalement un atelier ULM et qui fait ça à des coûts tout à fait abordables.
35 years of passion and experience have been devoted to providing, at an affordable price, the pleasure of flying ultralight helicopters.
Dynali succeeded in this because we have now the bestseller helicopter on the helicopter market for leisure pilots for flight schools. We can propose a very competitive price and very short delivery times because of the fact that everything is produced here in Dynali.
Dynali. Live your dream.